forces exerted by people on the gates are shown. One person is distance d1 from the gate's hinge and pushes with horizontal force F1 at angle theta1 uh, to the gate. The other person is at distance d2 from the hinge and pushes with horizontal force F2 at an angle theta2 to the gate. What is the total moment about the hinge due to forces F1 and F2?
Okay, you just use your O level idea. O level, what you got? The force times perpendicular distance, right? From the pivot. So what is your pivot here? Which one is pivot? The hinge is the pivot, right?
জি স্যার, আমরা তো ওইখানে স্যার দুইটা অ্যাঙ্গেল ধরতে পারি না স্যার?
Yes, yes, we can take this one as angle. Yes, pivot. This one is pivot, right? The hinge is the pivot. So perpendicular distance, if you want to take perpendicular distance, you can remember the theory part we gave. So here the F1 force, this one is having angle theta1. So if you want to get the perpendicular distance from the force, then you can take the perpendicular, you have here component of this force, horizontal component and vertical component, as we learned it in topic 1, right? Horizontal component and vertical component. So if you want to take the perpendicular distance from the pivot, then you take the vertical component of this. Okay, so how to get the vertical component? This one, right? Here if you think perpendicular distance, so we have here this one and another one is this one, right? Isn't it?
Yes sir.
So if you think that the angle is theta1, the alternate angle, we can replace this theta1 and theta2 here, right? If you think of right angle triangle, isn't it? Hello, are you
Yes, sir.
understanding? Are you
Yes, sir.
understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
So this one you just complete it. The triangle you complete, the perpendicular distance you can find. You see here it is angle theta1 you can write here, and similarly theta2 you can take here. So the vertical component you can find from here, right? What is the vertical component of F1 and F2? You can write here one is F1 sin theta 1, F1 sin theta 1, right? Theta 1, theta we can write or I can sketch it here, theta.
Sir, theta से Q लिख लो वापस से.
Yeah, you just write here theta 1. So this one is for this one vertical component, okay? And for this one you'll get F2 sin theta 2, right? So you just see B is giving you the answer, right? D1 F1 sin theta 1, then D2 F2 sin theta 2, right? And both the forces are working downwards, right? In the same direction.
Yes.
So we no, sorry, both the force will work upwards because the direction is upwards, isn't it? So it will be anti-clockwise
Yes,
direction, both of them. Anti-clockwise or clockwise? From here, clockwise direction, right? Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? This way? This way it is anti-clockwise. Yes, anti-clockwise.
Yes, sir. That is.
Yeah. So both of them are working same direction. That's why we are adding that. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Excuse me. So done. This one is done, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
We
It
can
is done,
now,
sir.
yeah, go to question number 2. So question number 2, did you get the answer?
Sir, the answer should be A, right, sir?
Answer should be A. Why?
Because there is three forces. One is
Downwards,
acting
one to the
gradually,
side and one upper.
and other one is going. Sir, এটা কেমনে বলেছে diagonally ইয়াতে যাচ্ছে, and আরেকটা হচ্ছে রেজিস্ট্যান্স হিসেবে কাজ করছে ওই diagonal.
Okay, look, we have here weight. How the weight will work? Let us draw it. Huh? How the weight will work? I'm drawing here. Weight will work directly downwards, right?
Yes, sir.
So here is the ball. Then we can say the weight is working from here downwards. This is weight. Huh? Okay, then we have normal contact force normal to the slope. So this one is normal contact force. It is perpendicular to the slope. This is normal. I will label them also. Weight, the contact force, normal to the slope, and friction. Friction always works against the motion, right?
Downwards. Yes, sir.
Against the motion. So the ball is rolling down this side, and the frictional force will be opposite in this direction. Okay, these are three forces. Now we can replace the forces to make the triangle, right? So
Yes.
check here. We can, if you think of A, you see A, this force is not available here. Like
হচ্ছে তাহলে
force
answer B
working
হওয়ার কথা।
downwards, this is not working anywhere here. So which one
Sir,
is
C.
C? C also
C.
we
B
have one
হওয়ার
force
কথা,
downwards, you see.
স্যার B হওয়ার কথা না স্যার?
B, B,
Yes, sir. B.
uh, B, you see angle between them.
Sir, B মনে হয় স্যার।
B, B, okay,
স্যার
so
D তো মনে হয় হবে স্যার, কেন জানি মনে হচ্ছে।
yeah, but the answer is D, the angle, because of the angle. D, B, if you
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ওই
take
জন্য
the
অ্যান্সার D মনে হচ্ছে স্যার।
Bangladesh or Dhaka?
ঢাকা স্যার।
Dhaka, yes, Dhaka. Dhaka is the answer. Yes.
ঢাকা স্যার।
Dhaka is the answer. Why it is? I'm explaining because this angle, huh? If we
Yes,
replace
sir.
here, we will see like. Wait 1 minute. This drawing, it should be more better. Like if you draw it perpendicular from here, normal contact force.
Okay, sir. Now it makes sense, sir.
No, why it is? It will be useful if you drop perfectly 90 degree over here, then you will see the angle we are getting here. It's little bit smaller, right? Not like this one bigger. Okay, if you replace it here, uh, then you will see that is matching with B, Dhaka. Very close, but there is little bit difference. Huh? Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. The answer is Dhaka. So done this one. Question number 2. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then question number 3 is very easy. You can do it. We did the similar question in O level also. Can you figure it out? What is the answer? Can you read it, Farhan, please? Hello, Farhan. Farhan is there. Hello, Farhan. Oh, Farhan disconnected for a while. Yeah, Sufyan, you read, huh? This one, question 3.
Yes, sir. One end of a U-shaped
Yes,
tube
ma'am,
is
sir.
Oh, Sam, yeah, yeah. Okay, read.
নাম্বার 2 টা কি আমরা H rho G plus ATM দিয়ে করতে পারি? প্রেসার
Yeah, yeah. H rho G plus atmospheric
ATM
pressure.
atmospheric
Yeah,
pressure, তাহলে স্যার
atmospheric pressure.
ইকুয়েশনটা দাঁড়াচ্ছে এইভাবে যে 331.4 minus 10.2 into 1000 into 1000 এরপরে
Yeah, atmospheric pressure is given 101 kilopascal, right? So your answer is also given in kilopascal, so you get it same, right? Like
sir,
you
if
don't
I
need to
am not
you
wrong,
do not
the
need to.
answer is D, Dhaka.
Your answer is Dhaka. So for they are asking you what is the pressure of the gas from the gas tap, right? So the gas pressure will be the liquid pressure plus atmospheric pressure, right?
Atmospheric pressure,
So
yes sir.
what is the liquid pressure here?
এখানে স্যার লিকুইড প্রেসারটা কি
H rho G, H rho G, yeah.
H rho G, হ্যাঁ,
So what is your H here?
31.4
No, 31.4 minus 10.2.
minus 10.2, ওই যে মানে ব্র্যাকেট করো তো, আমি প্রথমটা বললাম
31.4 minus 10.2 into 10 to the power
into
minus 2
1000,
into 10 to the
yes
power
sir,
minus 2,
minus 2
because it's in centimeter. You have to convert in meter.
লিটার, হ্যাঁ
Yes, then you check it's coming in Pascal. Your answer will come in Pascal. It's a big value.
yes sir.
Then you have to convert into
এটা কি স্যার কিলো প্যাসকেলে
kilopascal.
ট্রান্সফার করেছি, ট্রান্সফার করলে স্যার 103 কিলো প্যাসকেল হয়, which is D.
No, H rho G, what it comes for kilopascal? That one is my question. That is liquid pressure.
In kilopascal or in Pascal only?
In Pascal, you get it first, then you convert to kilopascal. Liquid pressure.
So 0.239.
0.239.
Yes sir. Sorry,
Check
sorry,
again.
0.239.
Please check again.
23.9.
23.9. Okay, let us check. Huh? The liquid pressure plus atmospheric pressure, right?
Yes sir.
I'm writing in short, atmospheric pressure. Then your liquid pressure you have to find, right? That one is H rho g. H rho g is H is 31.4 minus 10.2
Yes,
uh,
sir.
into 10 to the power minus 2
2.
multiplied 1000
Yes, sir.
multiplied 10.
1000.
So 9.81. That is gravitational field strength, right? H
Yes,
rho
sir.
g, right here, H rho g plus atmospheric pressure is given 101 kilopascal. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so here you got how much H rho g? That one, you please tell me.
Okay, sir. 1 second. Sir, 21,200।
Yes, like that. If you convert into kilopascal, that is coming 2.1212
2.
kilopascal. This way it comes, okay?
2. Yes, sir.
Plus 101 kilopascal it comes.
ওই তো স্যার 103 আসে आंसर।
Yeah, it comes
Sir,
স্যার
আমার
101.
আমার এখানে কারেন্ট নাই তো
20,000
অন্ধকারে দেখতে পারতাছি না ওই
It's
আন্দাজে
okay,
বললাম।
but we know how it comes, okay?
Yes, sir.
Sufyan, have you got it?
স্যার আমার পুরো ইয়াটা আসছে 20,000 সামথিং স্যার।
You make it 9.81. Make it
জি স্যার
9.81.
9 পয়েন্ট, হ্যাঁ স্যার ওটা
31.4.
দিয়েছি।
I also calculated it. I got 31.4 minus 10.2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay.
স্যার ইনটু 10 টু দি পাওয়ার -2 কেন স্যার?
Because it's centimeter. You have to convert to meter.
আচ্ছা স্যার, জি স্যার।
Now you got it.
Yes, sir.
So done, Sufyan.
Yes, sir. Question 4 now.
Yeah, question 3 is done. Now we are going to 4.
3 is done, sir. 4 করতে হবে এখন।
Yeah, question 4 will go now. So question 4,
Sir,
anyone got the answer?
এটা কি স্যার
Have you
কাইনেটিক
tried it?
থিওরির ফর্মুলায় হবে স্যার?
What formula?
ইকে মানে কাইনেটিক এনার্জি।
Of course, we should think of that. Already that is given. Kinetic energy is already given. So
জি স্যার।
we do not need to do further calculation with half mv square. Rather, we have to accumulate and use the information given. Okay, you use the idea
Okay.
of gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy together. That will, and conversion of energy. Conversion of energy, conservation law of energy, right? Kinetic energy converts
Yes,
to
sir.
gravitational potential energy here again, right? Gravitational potential energy
Yes,
is
sir.
converting to kinetic energy. Then again, gravitational potential energy. In between, some energy is lost, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you figure it out like that. Okay, you see there is friction, right? Work done due to friction. That is coming here, right? Frictional force. Okay. So look at the information given. You see trolley runs from P to Q along a track. At Q, its potential energy is 50 kilojoules. So here the gravitational potential energy is 50 kilojoules, right?
Yes, sir.
This information is given first. At P, the kinetic energy of the trolley is 5 kilojoules. So we have here 5 kilojoule. That is Ke, right? We write here Ke, 5 kilojoules, right? So definitely here we have some, gravitational potential energy extra as the height is here more, right? Here
Yes,
we
sir.
have gravitational potential energy 50 kilojoules. So of course here we have some more gravitational potential energy plus this kinetic energy together. Then it's turning to again gravitational potential energy 50 kilojoules, right? Now
Yes, sir.
between P and Q, the trolley does 10 kilojoule of work against friction. So this way is going, that time is losing 10 kilojoule, right? So
Okay.
we can say, what is their question? What is the kinetic energy of the trolley at Q? So kinetic energy also is there. How much will be the kinetic energy? We have to find it out. Already we have some kinetic energy here, 5 kilojoules. Okay,
Yes.
so that one we have to think of, right?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now you see, here we have 50 kilojoules. So in this level, also we have 50 kilojoules, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now, 50 kilojoules, they are saying here, what is their information? At Q, its potential energy is 50 kilojoule less than at P.
Okay.
50 kilojoule less than at P. That means
Okay.
if we have here gravitational potential energy, for example, here we have gravitational potential energy x kilojoule. Okay, we write here
Yes, sir.
plus x. Okay,
Yes,
plus
sir.
10 kilojoules we have lost here, right? When it's going in this way, we have 10 kilojoules lost. So we have here plus 50 kilojoules plus 10 kilojoules equals x, right? Isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So total energy here, how much can you calculate? How much total energy here can you calculate?
Yes, sir.
It's 60 plus 5,
65,000.
65, right?
Yes, sir.
Then total energy is here. Total energy here is 65 kilojoules, right? Now, here we have 50 kilojoules less, right?
Yes, sir.
Then at P. At Q, its potential energy is 50 kilojoule less than Q, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Wait for a while. What is the kinetic energy of the trolley at Q? We have only 1.5 minutes, right? Can we continue it next meeting after 5 minutes, please?
Sure, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
because we cannot finish it now.